Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, nicest YouTube channel. Today we're making.
You mean our YouTube channel?
Yeah. And we made slime.
So, yes, we're making slimes. We're starting a business. And by the way, these are all of the slimes. Like, we have so much. You can buy it too. You can buy it too, guys. Well, it's not for free. You have to pay $2.
Yeah. This is for
This is our logo.
This is honey. This one.
Ihani.
No, honey.
Oh, this is the glitter slime. This is not glitter slime.
This reminds me of Colgate.
Colgate. And we have some premium slimes.
Yeah.
It's pink and blue. This one's blue, pink, and purple.
Oh, this is the crystal slime, and then this one is the purple BTS star slime thingy.
So watch me bring the stars. Oh, so watch me eat the stars tonight. Anyways, we're gonna be making some premium slimes today for you guys.
Yes.
What color do you want? Pick two.
Oh yeah, we choose
2
army
color, 3 color.
because we're armies and we're blings. That's why.
Yeah, 2 color or 3 color. We'll make both if you want both. So wrap me in plastic and make me shine. Enough songs.
I know.
Okay, get 2 boxes out. Ow. Owie, owie.
And ignore the background noise.
Because someone's talking on their phone.
Yeah.
My teacher said she's a tomboy.
Okay. Anyways, I'm making two.
By the way, we're in 5th grade. Nice. Oh wow! I just had a brilliant idea.
What is your brilliant idea?
Like skinny. Like skinny.
9 inches.
Born in 1954.
Jeffrey Bezos.
Come on.
Come on, Jeffrey.
Okay, finally they cut it their phone.
Yo.
Yo, screen.
Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2. I'm gonna make 2.
Okay, I'll make 3.
Actually, no, I'm gonna make 3.
Bruh.
Okay, does this fit inside? Is this enough?
Yeah. Can you not do it on the carpet?
Oh yeah. Is this enough?
Yes. I'll make. What color should I make?
Wait, no, this is less.
Should I do blue and purple?
I don't think so.
I'll do blue and purple.
Okay, nice. It's your sign, not mine, so don't ask me.
Asking you guys what color you want, blue or purple? Comment down below.
Yes, queen.
For her, comment hers.
I'm making blue, yellow, and pink.
Skinny. This looks like those, you know, on the sea, those little things that we watched on YouTube. It's like clear thingy, like a little sack on the seas. Looks like that. Look,
Like sacks on the seas.
look, this little sack thingies on the sea. Looks like that.
Yeah, it does.
Like Haas. What's Haas?
I don't know.
Random word.
Okay.
So I changed it into a word.
Yeah, she just made a random word.
I changed.
Yes.
I changed the word into Haas. Hussies. Oh, hussies.
Husky. Okay, so guys, this is how it is.
Yeah, we made a lot of slimes.
This one's premium. All of these are premium. Okay, let me switch back. Okay, we're back.
And yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you like our video. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to both of our channels. Bye.
Bye.